So picture this. You log onto YouTube on your computer or smartphone and are greeted with a video titled 10 Mind-Blowing Facts About Elon Musk. Intrigued, you click on it. And what it is a picture slide with a voiceover but no narrator's face. Welcome to YouTube Automation. YouTube Automation is described by its practitioners as a faceless way to make money on the video platform. Contrary to the name, YouTube Automation, or YTA for short, involves farming all the tasks of video scripting, editing, and others to freelancers, while you solely focus on account management. This guide will delve into the YouTube Automation for beginners on how to get started and the things to look out for. So getting started with YouTube Automation. As mentioned in the introduction, your main task when using this model is to set up and manage a YouTube channel. You're delegating everything else to freelancers in the field. So essentially, you don't really need to learn anything about video editing, video shooting, audio, or any other aspect of creating YouTube videos. So getting started with YouTube Automation is actually pretty simple. You're going to pick a niche, then you're going to find freelancers to create scripts and videos for, then you're going to grow your audience, and finally you're going to monetize your channel. It does sound easy, but it's not very easy to do. Freelancers are crucial to your success, so therefore you will need to know where to find freelancers and partner with them in an elaborate system that takes the legwork off your hands. Freelancing sites like Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer are just some of the top platforms that you can find freelancers who can write YouTube scripts and handle the video creation and editing part for you. So making money with YouTube Automation. What you're going to want to do is pick a profitable niche. The objective of going into YouTube Automation is making money. However, this is only possible when you pick a niche that will attract views and in turn earn you ad revenue. CPM, or the cost per mil, is a key factor to consider when picking a YouTube Automation niche that you will dive into. CPM is the amount of money YouTube will pay you for every 1,000 views that you get on each video every time ads run on your videos. Some of the niches with the highest average CPM on YouTube are, well, making money online, digital marketing, personal finance, educational content, and tech, just to name a few of the top. Now granted, these CPMs do fluctuate depending on the time of the year, the economy, the amount of video ads you have in your videos, and etc. So I'm not going to give you monetary amounts. I advise trying your hand at those niches, but it's also a good idea sometimes to find stuff that's out of the box. So do your research, identify other high-paying niches that you can monetize your channel with. Some channels choose to be hybrid and focus on multiple niches. You could also do that. Ensure you go with freelancers who are experts in the topic, especially the script writers, to avoid repetition and give your channel an edge over the competition. YouTube Automation is a crowded field where only the standout creators, hint hint, who offer something more earn money that's worth their effort and investment. Benefits of YouTube Automation. So should you choose to go the YouTube Automation route, there are numerous benefits that this option can yield you. Here are some of them. Becoming a business owner or manager with a faceless YouTube channel. What this means is you basically become an online entrepreneur, something that could help you realize your dreams and teach you valuable business management skills. The experience you gain from managing freelancers, networking with them, and promoting your channel is basically invaluable. It's sharpening your business skills. The second one's maintaining your privacy. So normally YouTube channels require, well, they don't require, but usually you'll show your face to create an online presence and personal brand. But with YouTube Automation, you can still earn from YouTube and grow your channel without ever showing your face, which is pretty invaluable in helping you maintain your privacy in the midst of a digital world that is becoming less private. The third one is earn without expertise. So you don't need to be an expert on any topic to run an automated YouTube channel. Compared to regular vlogging, YouTube automation helps eliminate a steep barrier to entry, which ensures that you can hire an expert to do the shoveling and hauling for you while you focus on running the channel only. The fourth one is you can explore multiple niches. So it's easy to explore multiple niches, opening different channels for each niche you would like to be a part of. Because of delegating the video creation work and script writing, you can actually manage more channels hassle-free. And with YouTube automation, there is no ceiling to how many different niches you can try and how many different channels you can have. Things to consider when venturing into YouTube automation as a beginner. So the world of YouTube automation is not all rosy. And as I mentioned in the beginning, it does require hard work and dedication. Even more importantly, due diligence. Some of the issues I advise you to consider include the following. A. Avoid copyright infringement. I'm telling you, always double check the content that you are posting to prevent copyright issues, because this could easily lead to your channel being banned. Most of the problems that YouTube finds are reused and repetitive content, and you will also not be able to be monetized. B is focus on organic growth. Paying for likes, views, and subscribers may seem ideal, but guarantee you it is not the best way to grow your channel sustainably. Focus on organic growth. This has the best return. C is SEO is key. So you need to optimize your channel and its content for search by adding relevant keywords in the description. YouTube is the second largest search engine on the internet behind Google, and SEO cannot be a side thought. D is focus on quality. Content that is unique and high quality is ultimately the recipe for growth through YouTube automation and your key to earning. So the summary. In this YouTube automation guide for beginners, I've seen that YouTube automation is pretty an innovative way of earning from the world's largest video platform. But you need to educate yourself, and you need to educate yourself on how to manage a channel and finding a reliable team of freelancers to help you create amazing videos on a niche of your picking. That is how you get started. You can grow your channel and earnings by focusing on quality, employing the right tools, and mastering SEO. Thank you very much for watching.